Hi, this is Max from arbitragehero.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can list products using Amazon Seller Central. As you can see, I'm logged into my Amazon test account, and if you want to add product to your inventory using Seller Central, you need to go to Catalog, then click on Add Products, and then here you either enter product name or ASIN or other barcode like UPC or EAN. In this case, I'm going to search for this particular toy, and once I click on search, you will see that Amazon comes back with a list of products which are found using that criteria. So let's select the first one, and the condition which I'm going to be selling that product in is new. Then you click sell. On this screen you need to enter the price which you want to charge your customers for that product. Then you need to select condition, and then you need to select Amazon will dispatch and provide customer service for FBA, but if you want to sell products yourselves, then you can select I will ship this item myself. Then you click save and finish. On this screen you just click save and continue. And here, if you are asked to add dangerous goods information, normally you just click save and continue, but what you can do, you can go here and select no and no, submit, and then click save and continue. Once you have done it, Amazon Seller Central will automatically create a shipping plan for you, but you don't really have to do anything here, or if you want to, you can enter the number of units which you have bought, and then you continue with your shipping plan and creating shipment. But there is a separate video on how you can create shipping plans and shipments, so I'm not going to go into details in here. But once you have done it, the item is going to be added into your inventory. As you can see, I have this item in my inventory. From here you can change the price, you can edit the listing, and you can do some other actions with your item. But this is how you add product listings using Amazon Seller Central. I hope this video was useful, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.